What's up, guys? Dan and Avi here, and we are super excited because we're about to send you the bulk email tool. We're going to cross over to my screen in a moment, and Avi and I built this thing together. And Avi, what did we use? How do we build this?
So we use some cool tricks in VBA and using macros in Excel, which can really save you a lot of time and make you really efficient. So yeah, check out the tool and please use it. If you'd like to figure out how we built it, and if you'd like to be able to do something like that for yourself, just letting you know that that's covered on Excel 303.
Good stuff. Okay, let's cross over to my screen now and check it out. Okay, so here we are, and let's go right into it. So you'll see in this particular folder on my computer, I'm in a folder called bulk email tool, and I've got two files saved here. The one is bulk email tool, which is the one you'll be receiving, and then this is pretty much a carbon copy of this tool, except for the actual fields in this file. So I'll explain to you what I mean. Let's open it up, okay, and you'll see that what it does straight away, which is quite cool, is we've used some smart VBA code that when the file opens, it automatically comes to this welcome sheet over here, automatically goes into full screen mode. So it's really user friendly. You don't need the ribbon, you don't need the formula bar, you don't need any of that stuff. You don't even need the ABC and the 1, 2, 3 down the side and the top. So what you've got here is your welcome page, and you can see that you might need to click enable editing and enable content if you are prompted. On each of the pages, there's actually a chat to us button over here if you want to contact us about anything. There's info on Excel Uni 2018, our brand new 6-week online training and coaching program. Then you can also do the 5-minute test, and you can watch the video demo, this actual video. You can always access it by clicking over there. Okay, so we're going to click get started, and it takes us to step 1, which is to enter your data. And you'll see that over here I've put in test data, which is my name and last name over here, and my email address, and I've also put in Avi so that Avi can receive a test from me. Obviously it says here instructions: fill in your recipient's details below or copy and paste your list. You might have a list of data. We've made it go, if we press control down, it goes all the way down to 1,000. Okay, I'm getting an email here from Brendan Burchard. I'll click away from that. So you can see here we have put in the capacity to put in 1,000. It might slow down your machine if you do send to 1,000 people. And what you'll see as well is we've made it user-friendly that you can't click anywhere else. If you press tab, you keep pressing tab, it just cycles you through these cells over here. We've done that through some smart locking of cells and protecting of the sheet, which we cover in Excel 101. Okay, what you'll notice is that these 4 buttons are here again. Okay, so you can always have quick, easy access to any of those features over there. And then we've got a button here which says next, which is also a little macro which takes us to the next sheet tab, which will be to go to step 2, which is to attach a file. And this is really cool because the instructions here are, number 1, save the attachments in the same folder as this bulk email tool. So if we go back to the folder, you can see here I'm using Dan Sending, but then I've got this file as well. And what this button over here does, which is step number 2, it says click this button. What that does is it actually automatically shows us which files are saved in this particular folder. So it is the file itself, as well as bulk email tool.xlsm. That's a macro enabled Excel file. And then it says here, select yes from the drop-down list next to the file you wish to attach. You can only attach one file using this this tool at this stage. So when you select yes, it comes up in green. Okay, so bulk email tool.xlsm is the one that I'm going to attach. Okay, and then I click next. Okay, that takes me to step 3, which is to actually compose my email. So here in this sender name field over here, this is the name of the sender of this email, and this will be used in the email sign-off when you say best or you say regards, and then it comes up with your name. So you populate your name over there, and then the email too, that's going to be automatic, and that will cycle through. So that's exactly who is going to be receiving this particular email. Okay, so that'll be me for the first one, and then Avi for the second one. Then I can put in a CC, and you can see there it says the little note on the right, include any email address you would like to include as a CC in every email. And you can do the same for a BCC. The email subject is pretty cool. You can actually structure, it says here, write your email subject here. Make sure to structure it correctly using the AND operator to join text strings and quotation marks for text. Watch the video for a demo of this. And this is the video, so I'm going to give you the demo over here. I'm going to go into the cell by pressing F2. And you can see here that you always start with an equal sign. And here we are creating a sentence which includes text and range names, which are variables. So here it says hey, and then a space, okay, and then we join the next piece of text or the next variable by putting the and or ampersand operator, okay, and this is covered in full in Excel 202, by the way. Then we've got the first name field, okay, the first name field, and then we join that, so we put another and operator over there, okay, and then we've got inverted commas or quotation marks. We put a comma, a space, and then this is text. Your bulk email tool has arrived! Exclamation marks. If I press escape, you can see that that translates into hey Dan, comma, your bulk email tool has arrived. And that's the email subject line that you're actually going to receive when I actually have sent this out. I haven't sent it yet. Okay. Then the email attachment is C Drive, users, Dan Stillerman, Dropbox, okay, Excel Academy Inc., bulk email tool, bulkemailtool.xlsm. That's the actual long, full file name address of the XLSM file, the bulk email tool, which is going to be attached to this mail. Okay, and then on this, in this cell over here, this is where you write your email. You actually compose your email over here. So you can see instruction number 2 says compose your subject and email body. And you can see again in this note over here, it says watch the video for a demo. If we go in, you can actually see that we've constructed this also using equals. Then we've got inverted commas or quotation marks over there with the word hi and a space. And then that's a range name for the first name, then a comma, and then we type up what we want to say. So we say, as promised, I've attached your exclusive bulk email tool. P.S. I actually used it to send you this mail. PPS, watch this short video here to see how it works. I still have to paste in the YouTube link, which I don't have yet because I'm just literally recording this as we speak, and then I'll upload it to YouTube. I will paste the link and you'll get that in the email, and then I'll say over here best, and then my name comes up over there. And I've also I've included my email signature over here. So when I press escape, there we go. You can see that that creates that the email copy. Okay, and if I go in again, the way that you enter or skip a line is you press Alt-Enter on the keyboard. That's a very important shortcut, Alt-Enter. Okay, and that's pretty much it for the composing of the email. You can make it as short or as long as you want. Okay, and then we'll go next. And that takes us to step 4, which is the final step, to send. Okay, and what we do over here is it says click here to send a preview. So we send preview. It comes up with a little input box. We teach this also in Excel 303. Okay, and I'm going to send a preview to dan@excelacademy.co.za. Press enter, and what you're going to see is I'll open up my inbox and you'll see it come through in a couple of moments. It's really quick. Okay, I'll click OK, and let's wait for it. We just send and receive. There we go. Okay, preview. I can open it up, and this is exactly how it looks. So here's a preview. Hey Dan, your bulk email tool has arrived. And you can use this as well, this preview tool, to automatically just send a preview to that email address. As promised, I've attached to exclusive. That's exactly the copy that we created, and there is the attachment. Okay, so I can close that up. Let's go back into the tool, and if you click here to send all, you click and it says send all. Are you sure you want to send all emails now? We're not going to do that now. In fact, we could, but I'm going to click no. Okay, or you can send a specified subset of the data from, for example, 1 to 2, or from 2 to 2. Okay, so we can go 1 to 2 and we can send these, and that will send 2 emails. Okay, and we can go into our sent items, and there we go. You can see it's just sent it, and it should send to Avi as well. There we go. There's Avi's. Okay, so it's going to land in my inbox again. So we can see that it's working, and we are ready to send all. Okay, so you can send all if you want. Okay, so I think I've covered all the bases. You also have a handy back button here, so you can always go back a step. Also a little macro which just takes you back one screen. Okay, and yeah, enjoy this. I'm going to go and populate this now with the full list of everyone who requested it. It was well over 100 people who requested this from LinkedIn. I'm having a lot of fun creating these tools and sharing them with you because I know that you are going to use it well. You're going to get a lot of value. Please feel free to share this with friends, colleagues, loved ones, dogs, uncles, brothers. Be generous. Sharing is caring, and spread the love. We want to help. We want to add value to people, and we want to show people how awesome Excel can be to make your life easier, to automate things, and just to be more productive and more successful and more lacquer. So that's it from me for now. Let us know if you have any questions. We look forward to seeing you in a workshop very soon. Take care. Chat to you soon. Ciao.